If you're looking for a vegan chocolate mousse, you've come to the right place. Oh my God, amazing. Hi there, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make vegan chocolate mousse. This is a recipe you can find pretty much anywhere. A lot of people know about it, but maybe you don't, so you wanna check it out. It's very simple. I use avocados, dark chocolate, dark cocoa powder, some maple syrup, and salt, and vanilla bean. And if you don't have vanilla bean, you can always use just vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Simply, what you do is first you want to take some dark chocolate. This is semi-sweet, so we're going to pop this in the microwave. I'm just going to break it up, pop in the microwave, and get that melted. And then we're just gonna get all of this in the food processor, and it's done that quick. So here we go. Let's just microwave the dark chocolate first. For microwaving the chocolate, you just wanna do it like 45 seconds at a time until it's melted, or use a double boiler. I'm too lazy to do that today because it's a lot of dishwashing over here these days. Anyways, let's check on that chocolate. So the dark chocolate, I microwaved it. I just did it 45 seconds at a time until it looked like it was melted, and Luigi is super excited. And you can't have this, it's chocolate. No. Just set that aside for a second. I'm going to take, it's kind of hot, take a vanilla bean. I love using a fresh vanilla bean. If you want to use vanilla extract, that's totally fine. Okay, so we're just gonna quickly score the vanilla bean. I'm just gonna cut it with my paring knife. I'm gonna go down right here. Push down, but not all the way through the vanilla bean. Just gonna cut down the middle. And you're probably watching going, it's just easier to use vanilla extract. Probably. I just like the fresh taste. You open it up, and then you're just gonna scrape down. And there you go. Fresh vanilla bean. This mousse is so easy to make, you're not gonna believe it. All the avocado goes into a food processor along with the cocoa powder, maple syrup, salt, the melted chocolate, and vanilla bean, and that's it. And we're gonna pulse it a few times and move it to some ramekins. Here we go. So first step is get all the avocado into the food processor. No major cooking technique needed here. So for this recipe, I normally use 2 large avocados, but the avocados at the store this week were so tiny. So I used 4 small avocados. And by the way, this does not even taste like avocado. Trust me, when you eat it, you're gonna be blown away. Super important to make sure your avocados are soft, but not overly mushy. We're gonna add that chocolate. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my goodness. All right, that's pretty good. Then we just go maple syrup. A little bit more sweetness. Dark cocoa powder, sea salt, and last but not least, vanilla bean. Just gonna give it a few pulses. Here we go. And then we're gonna move it to some ramekins dessert trays. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. I put it in the food processor for about 2 minutes. Who's to say you can't fold in a bunch of coconut whipping cream? You know what, maybe I'll try that. Oh wow, look at that. One of the reasons why I love making this vegan chocolate mousse is because it's obviously made with avocados, which are high in vitamin E, also high in monounsaturated fatty acids, and so is dark chocolate, by the way. So that's good because those monounsaturated fatty acids, they can actually reduce our bad cholesterol levels. So there's some really yummy health benefits. And as we know, avocados, super high in fiber. Hello, that's so important. And high in vitamin E, which is great for our skin. So we have to just give this a big, yeah, this is a great recipe. Oh God, I'm making a big mess. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna move it to the ramekins now. I have 2 different kinds of things. I wanna put some in here and some in here just to see what it looks like, but you can just do one type, obviously. This chocolate mousse is ready to go. I'm just gonna put it into this beautiful little dessert dish. Once it's in there, all you have to do is put it in the fridge This is such a great and easy, quick dessert. If you're having a dinner party and you're like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Look in your pantry, find your dark chocolate. So easy. If you don't want to do whipping cream on the top, you could just garnish it with berries and a little bit of fresh mint. It'll look amazing. Then I just want to smooth it on the top just a little bit, just smooth it out. I think it's good to let this chill for about an hour. It's good to eat right now. Oh my God, amazing. But better if you let it chill for about an hour, okay? Okay, so my vegan chocolate mousse has been in the refrigerator for an hour. It looks incredible. I'm just gonna make a quick coconut whipping cream. So I've got 1 can of coconut cream. I've got a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have a tablespoon of powdered sugar. This bowl has been in the freezer for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna just use my hand mixer. Just mix it up. A little chocolate whipped cream. Beautiful. Let's see how that came out. So good. So perfect for the chocolate lovers out there. So I go really low in sugar with these recipes. If you want to increase the sugar, that's your choice. I don't think it needs it. Anyway, so we'll just garnish with our chocolate on chocolate. Chocolate whipped cream. Ooh, yummy. Made with coconut. Chocolate shavings on top. Gorgeous. And of course, there's extra coconut whipping cream, so we can put that in our latte tomorrow morning. I'm gonna just shave a little bit of chocolate on the top here, microplane it for the chocolate lover in your family, right? And then if you have raspberries or strawberries, I'm just gonna put a little bit of sliced strawberry on the top. Kind of fun, kind of cute. You can put anything on here that you want. Okay, here you go. It's vegan chocolate mousse. I hope you try this out. Like, save, share. Remember to subscribe. Remember to follow. Remember to eat healthy, live well, and that you are deeply loved by God.